hello, and welcome to another episode brought to you by the Visual Appeal channel. This video is a beginner's guide to generative AI. We will start our discussion by delving into what generative AI exactly means. We will discuss the risks, explore the capabilities of generative AI, and of course we will discuss about ChatGPT and Google Bard. At the end of this video, I have shared some of my favorite generative AI applications. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. Fun fact about this video, you will not be hearing my voice anymore. What? Yeah, so we will talk about whose voice it is a little later in this video. But for now, over to Evelyn. Bye.
Let's begin with what exactly is generative AI. It is simply a technology that generates something on its own rather than returning existing data. It uses a type of deep learning called Generative Adversarial Networks. It also uses machine learning to predict the next word based on previous word sequences, or the next image based on words describing previous images. Here are some capabilities of generative AI. We will explore these capabilities under 4 broad classifications, namely text, images, audio, and video. I personally tried each of these applications and I'm going to share with you my input, the output the application came up with, and other real-life uses for such generative AI applications. Firstly, let's explore our best friend ChatGPT, the master of text-based AI. When I asked ChatGPT the question, how to monetize a new SaaS product, provide answer in 2 lines, it quickly came up with this: charge customers a recurring fee for access to your software, or offer a basic version for free and charge for advanced features. Well, that sounds reasonable. Of course, there are funny questions and answers doing rounds. But for now, let's go with this. Text-based AIs can possibly automate journalizing, creating business requirement or product requirement documents, and literally any writing assistance. Next, let's talk about Midjourney, a very cool application that can convert anything you type into an image. When I typed dog in sunglasses, it gave me this image. Pretty fun to play around with and easy to navigate. I think I'm going to try my next video with Colossian. It has amazing avatars which you can use to convert your text into videos. This application can dramatically shift tutorials, demonstration videos, and even advertising. Oh yes! Finally, let's talk about playAIofficial. That's the application I use to create the very same audio you are listening to right now. It's really amazing to see the wide choice of voices the application overwhelms you with. All said and done, pretty useful for creating audiobooks, voiceovers. It technically eliminates pronunciation and accent-related communication barriers. Next, let's discuss the risks in using generative AI. Deepfake is generally a video of a person in which their face or body has been digitally altered so that they appear to be someone else, typically used maliciously or to spread false information. Oops, that is creepy. Job displacement due to these technologies is a widespread concern right now. While it can replace some of the repetitive day-to-day tasks, I think AI will never possess qualities like resourcefulness, resilience, human thinking. Having said that, let's wait and watch. I'm not doing justice if I don't talk about the recent generative AI war between ChatGPT and Google Bard. So let's spend the next couple of minutes on that. Here are some major differences between ChatGPT and Google Bard. In terms of technology, ChatGPT uses language model, which is trained from human-created text on the internet. On the other hand, Bard uses Google's language model for dialogue applications that draws information from the web to provide responses. ChatGPT can only access information until 2021 compared to Bard that uses information from web to provide responses. ChatGPT Chat is available for free, and there is a paid version called ChatGPT PPP Plus with additional features. Bard is expected to be released to the general public very soon. All in all, Bard will be able to turn difficult topics into easily digestible, chit-worthy chunks. The goal is to spread knowledge in a clear way that encourages learning in everyone, including children. ChatGPT, on the other hand, generates content in response to a text prompt.
Do you follow the news?
Alphabet Incorporated lost more than $100 billion in market value after Bard chatbot advertisement showed inaccurate information. There was a short video posted which showed Bard in action. Bard was given the prompt, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" Bard responds with a number of answers, including one suggesting it was used to take the very first pictures of a planet outside the Earth's solar system, or exoplanet. This is inaccurate, as the first pictures of exoplanets were taken by the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope in 2004. That was quite an expensive mistake.
Source: Al Jazeera News.
There are some really cool generative AI applications that are not in the limelight yet. Let me share some of my top favorites. If you try them out or know of other fun generative AI applications, make sure you drop them in the comments section below. My top favorite is Ask Fred by Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai is an AI note-taker platform for meetings which is integrated with some generative AI. Now Fred can answer questions about what happened in your meetings, write follow-up emails, and turn transcripts into blogs. If you are a music lover like me, Aiva is your go-to. It helps you create custom music tracks based on your mood, emotion, genre, and provides a bunch of other options. Finally, if you are into gaming, try creating your own zombie race story using A Dungeon. The animations are insanely cool.
Good job there, Evelyn. The entire voiceover for this video was created using play.ht and I used Evelyn's voice to create it. All I had to do was type in the text and she did the voiceover, no glitches whatsoever. She did a splendid job. But I think in certain places she lacked to convey the right emotions. And I also had a little trouble helping her understand abbreviations. So if I wanted her to say AI or ChatGPT, I had to tweak the spellings a little bit. I spelled AI as A-E-Y-E, AI, for her to say AI. So things like that, but overall she did a great job. I didn't worry about my pace, I didn't worry about my pronunciation, I did not worry about my accent issues. She was a great time saver overall. I hope you guys found this fascinating. I had a wonderful time creating this video and exploring a lot of generative AI applications. So until I search for another interesting topic, happy learning!